Voca 11.3, we have introduced a new feature, which is create custom historical reports over API. In the Voca admin interface, a tenant administrator can automatically pull interaction records from Voca CIC into existing business intelligence tools, such as Power BI, allowing for customized reports tailored to specific contact center metrics. The API enables tenant administrators to extract the raw interaction data and integrate the insight into a reporting platform to design or build dashboards to suit the operational requirements. With this feature, interaction reporting becomes more customizable, offering full control over how the data is represented. From that Voca admin, the tenant administrator can turn on data export setting. They can define the refresh rate, with 2 hours being the earliest that the refresh rate can be, as well as we can define where the storage is used. So we either bring our own storage or we use the Voca storage. When we click on use Voca storage, we click generate key, which will give us an API token key. We then click on save changes, and we can then use that key to pull through the data over API. Here is a report that we have built based off the data export from earlier. So here I have Power BI, and I have exported or imported the data, shall I say, into Power BI to create this report.